In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create $10,000 websites using Claude Code. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build the websites just like this one that sells a product and this one that sells a service. And these websites were both made with only a couple of prompts, so if you're a total beginner, don't worry, I'll guide you through each one step by step. Now, once you understand the process, you'll be able to apply this to any website you're trying to create. Follow along and let's get into it. First things first, if you're a total beginner, what we need to do is download Claude Code. So let's head over to claude.com/product/claude-code. And then we'll download it for either Mac OS, Windows, or Linux, depending on what you have. And once we downloaded Claude Code, what we want to do is log in and open up a new project. Now, once we downloaded the Claude app, we have our tabs right here for chat, Cowork, Code. What we want to do is go click on the code tab, and here on the top left we have our new session, our artifacts, routines, and our customize button. The new session is used to start a new chat. Artifacts are little things that Claude can make for you in order to display certain information. Routines are automations you could use in order to set up different tasks to run at a certain time of day. So for example, checking your email every day at 10 a.m. And customize is where you can customize how your Claude Code acts. So you have your skills right here, your connectors right here, and your plugins right here. Now we'll be using skills and connectors today. So skills are files of instructions that allow Claude Code to know what you're trying to do or a direction that you're trying to go. So for example, if I want to create a website like we're doing today, and I want Claude to create that website in a certain way, I could write a skill file, and that skill file can guide Claude on how we want it to approach website creation. So you can either create skills yourself or you can download them from the internet. So for today, we'll be downloading 3 different skills from the internet that make Claude have a better ability to create websites. And for our connectors, this basically gives Claude the ability to connect to different apps on the internet or websites. And once it's connected, it can pull information directly from those sources in order to achieve whatever task we give it. So let's get into the website creation. So what I recommend is to have Claude download these 3 skills right here. We'll have them linked down below. The first skill is UI UX Pro Max. The second skill is Impeccable. And the third skill is Frontend Design. So we can either add them in our customize tab right here, or we can just link all of them to Claude and ask it to download the skills. So once the skills are downloaded, as you could see, Claude tells me that all these 3 skills are ready to go and that each skill is in the folder we're working in. So once you are starting a new session, make sure that you have a folder that you want all your project files to go in. Now, I know this setup might be a little bit complicated, but this is the best way to reach really good web design using Claude Code. Now, the next thing we want to do is connect Claude to a specific connector. Now, that connector is made by Magic UI. So all we need to do is look up Magic UI MCP on Google, open up this page right here, and click copy the page. Now, as you can see right here on their component section on the left side, what this does is basically gives Claude access to a bunch of these components that it can use within your websites. So now when you're copying the page, make sure you select Claude right here and then click copy page, and then this will make it easy for Claude to just add the MCP. Then you paste that into your chat. And before we click enter, another MCP that I like using is the React Bits MCP. And this one also has a ton of animations and components for Claude to use on your website. So we'll go here to MCP, click Claude Code, copy this right here, and paste it onto our Claude chat. After you added both of those MCPs, you want to make sure that you restart your Claude app by just quitting it and opening it back up again, because that lets Claude register those MCPs and actually use them correctly. And now on to the fun part. So what is the difference between a bad website and a $10,000 website? I think the main things that separates the two are design and animation. So this is a basic vibe coded website versus this one right here that we made with Claude. So in order to achieve this style and this feeling on the website, which you could clearly tell is more premium than regularly Claude coded website, we have to think about how our website feels when the user gets into it and what motion it carries, along with the colors of the website, the typography, and everything like that. So there are a couple things that you need to also do. You need to make sure that Claude Code uses something called GSAP, and you need to make sure that Claude Code uses something called Three.js. Now, an explanation of GSAP is pretty much how you animate anything on a website. So this is the code that helps animate things on different websites, and a ton of different websites use it, a ton of different apps use it, and it makes things feel very premium and very cool. Now, since this is all done with code, Claude is very very good at using it. And now onto Three.js. So Three.js is basically a 3D library that allows you to use 3D just through code. Now, obviously, we're not coding things ourselves. Claude will be able to do that for us. So we just need to specify what we want in order to get a good outcome. So for this first website for a photography studio, this is the prompt I used. Now, if you want to get the exact prompts, we have it in our school community. That's totally free and it's linked down below. Now, obviously this prompt is a little bit long. So what you want to do is just copy the prompt from our community and pretty much give context to Claude on what website you're trying to build. So whether it's for a headphone brand like this one right here, or for anything else that you want to build, you can always just copy the prompt and tell Claude to adapt it to whatever website you're trying to make. Then Claude Code will change everything necessary within the prompt and give you back a prompt that is usable for your use case. But anyways, we pretty much tell it to add a lot of cool scroll effects, and we tell Claude to treat this as if it was the creative director of the studio, and its job is to make this super beautiful and on brand. We want the website to feel premium, editorial, and like a professional did it. We also told it to use any skills off the internet if it feels like it needs to. Once we submit our prompt, Claude will work for a while. As you could see, it worked for a long time and did a bunch of different things. And once it is done, it will give you a link like this. Typically it says localhost semicolon 8080 or any other number. And once you have that, you can click on it and pretty much view a preview of the website. Now here is the website it created for us. It looks very nice, very much on brand with photography studios. The text is cool, has like these cool spaces that have to do with the photographer's bio. Obviously you can change this to whatever you want once you made it. Cool animations, a bunch of reviews, and a booking link right here, and also a form to enter your info if you're trying to reach out to the website. Now once you have this version done, you can obviously edit it and change whatever you like, don't like, things like that. Now other than the photography website we just made, this is another one I made using the same strategy. So this is for a headphone brand, and as you can see, it has these cool scrolling effects, looks very premium, moves around. So the headphones themselves are done with Three.js, which is the 3D thing I talked about earlier. All these cool little animations that it has in the background, and as you scroll down, it changes the colors of the headphones based on which model you're looking at. Also this typing animation right here, and then an email inquiry to request an invitation. But once you're done making these cool websites, the issue is nobody can actually access them. They're currently only hosted on your computer, and in order to access them, they have to be deployed somewhere on the web. That's where Hostinger comes in. So like I talked about earlier, we have our connectors right here. Now connectors and MCPs are pretty much the same thing, but Hostinger just released one. And what does that mean? It means that we don't have to deal with a lot of stuff that comes with the complexity of web hosting. We can just connect Hostinger to Claude, and then we'll have Claude do the whole thing. The easiest way to set it up is to click the link down below and select a business plan. Once you selected a plan, make sure to use our discount code, and you can either follow the instructions you get on the screen or install it by copy pasting this right here into Claude. And once you paste this into Claude, it will open up your web browser and ask you to sign in with your account. So sign in with your account and click authenticate. After you did that, you can paste this in right here to make sure the MCP is registered on your Claude account. And after pasting this into Claude, you want to quit your Claude app and then restart it and open it back up again. And after you restarted Claude, you can ask it, do you have access to the Hostinger MCP? And it will tell you, yes, I have access to the Hostinger MCP. And from here, you can mess around with hosting, your domains, your DNS, your billings, and your reach. Now this makes it super easy because you don't have to deal with anything manually. So now your page can go live instantly straight through Claude Code. So you can either ask Claude to connect it to an existing domain that you already own, or you can deploy it on a free Hostinger subdomain for quick access. So let's test out the free deployments real quick. So we told Claude to deploy it on free Hostinger subdomain for now, and Claude is doing some work, and we will be able to see in a second how our website is live. And guess what? You'll be able to access it through the link down below. And there we go. We have our live website. So as you can see, it is fully deployed to the internet. It works perfectly, and it was probably the easiest time I've ever had deploying a website. But yeah, I hope you're able to follow along and eventually create your own high-end website and deploy it to the internet. We post a ton of different AI tutorials and business content as well as finance content on this channel. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment what website you're building, and subscribe to the channel. You can test out the website I just deployed with this link right here. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.